Hi, my dears. If you're here right now, it means you're drawn to mysteries that send chills down your spine, and I'm warning you right away. This is not a video you can play in the background, because what we're about to talk about looks like the Earth itself is trying to tell us something. Imagine a place where there is no life at all, a white, lifeless desert, extreme sub-zero temperatures, absolute silence so deep it almost hurts your ears. Antarctica, the most hostile continent on our planet. And suddenly, right in the middle of this endless ice, a blood-red stream appears. Not pink, not orange, but deep, dark red, like fresh blood. You look at it, and your brain refuses to accept what you're seeing. The ice is bleeding. This place is real. It exists, and it's called Blood Falls. It's located in one of the strangest places on Earth, the McMurdo Dry Valleys. For more than 100 years, this phenomenon has terrified, fascinated, and confused scientists. When explorers first discovered it, they were shocked. From the Taylor Glacier, a dark red liquid was flowing out, staining the ice as if something terrible had happened there. No one understood what they were actually witnessing. Theories ranged from ancient algae and unknown bacteria to strange chemical reactions and even something not entirely earthly. But the truth turned out to be scientific, and somehow even more disturbing. Beneath Taylor Glacier lies a subglacial reservoir, completely sealed off from the outside world for millions of years. The water there is so salty that it does not freeze, even in extreme cold. It is ancient. Older than civilizations, older than anything we can truly imagine. And it is rich in iron. When this ancient water slowly reaches the surface and comes into contact with oxygen, a process of oxidation begins. The iron literally rusts, turning the water deep red. This is how the illusion is created, as if Antarctica itself has been wounded, as if the ice is bleeding. But this is where the story becomes truly unbelievable. There is life in this water. Yes, life that has never seen sunlight, life that does not need oxygen, life that has existed in complete isolation for millions of years. Inside this hidden world live microorganisms that gain energy not from the sun, but from chemical reactions between iron and sulfates. This completely overturns everything we thought we knew about life. Because if life can exist without light, without warmth, without air, then our understanding of biology is far too limited. Beneath the Antarctic ice exists a different kind of ecosystem. Silent, slow, ancient, preserved like a time capsule. While civilizations rose and fell on the surface, this world remained untouched. That's why Blood Falls fascinates scientists around the globe. It's not just a strange, natural anomaly. It's a model for possible life beyond Earth. Researchers believe similar conditions may exist beneath the icy surfaces of Jupiter's and Saturn's moons, such as Europa or Enceladus. Ice, salty water, no sunlight. And if life managed to survive here in Antarctica, then who's to say it couldn't exist there? And this is where it starts to feel truly unsettling, because Antarctica suddenly stops being just a frozen continent. It becomes a key to understanding the universe, a place that suggests life is not a miracle. It's persistent. It finds a way even in the most impossible conditions. The most disturbing part. We still know so little. Beneath the Antarctic ice, there could be dozens, maybe hundreds of similar reservoirs, each with its own chemistry, its own life forms, its own secrets. The ice is not dead. It moves. It hides worlds. And when you look at bloodfalls, you realize Earth is alive much deeper than we ever imagined. And perhaps life in the universe doesn't begin where it's warm and bright, but where it's dark, cold, and no one is watching. If this gave you chills, if you're still here, make sure to subscribe, because ahead are even more mysteries that will seriously blow your mind. And write in the comments, do you believe we are alone in the universe, or has Antarctica already given us the answer? See you soon. And remember, sometimes the scariest secrets are hidden beneath the ice.